When you're walking with a fully assembled fly rod, when you're out in the open in a field or whatever open path, you can carry the rod any way you want. You can have the tip behind you or you can have the tip in front of you. But when you start to walk through something like this, where it gets a little brushy, then I think the best thing to do is to put the rod in front of you so that you can keep an eye on that tip, because if you're walking with it behind you, the tip behind you, you never know when the tip might get snagged on a piece of brush and you don't see it. So it's a good idea when you get in the thick stuff to point the tip forward.